As you can hear from those clips you just heard, perhaps this is the best sounding Lamborghini Revuelto in the world. Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs, everybody. Behind me, this car has been such a fun development project for us, developing a very special proprietary configuration in the downpipes and then a wild double X pipe rear section for this car. Truly transforms the experience. Setup is non-valve because if the car is electric, just put the car in electric mode if you got to sneak out of your neighborhood in the middle of the night. But this product has been so fun, and what's special is everybody loves the high pitch sound, but what we find is very unique is, yes, it gives you all of that, but the mid-range from like 4,500 RPM all the way to redline is so musical, even more musical, I think, than SVJ with full exhaust. So you don't get the same flames and crazy stuff in terms of the shifts, but this thing is just really, now with this exhaust, quite the successor to the Aventador we all love. In this video, we're gonna go to our normal spot. Start up, do some revs, do some flybys, launch control. We're gonna do hard acceleration. We're gonna put a GoPro on the inside of the car this time to capture our reactions. You probably have seen the GoPro from the other video we posted. And then of course, you're gonna get to sit passenger with us and experience what is truly the best sound for the Lamborghini Revuelto. I'm psyched, let's get to it, guys. All right, guys, listen to the wildness behind us. In the car now. You would be confused to think that we're in an SVJ. Such a wild experience behind us. You get so much drama, so much bass. It's just amped. Now, what's really fun about this is you get the mid-range from like 4,000 all the way up to redline. It's just musical. Like I'll put a little windows down so we can get some extra volume, but listen. That's pure SVJ. And like there, at 8,000 is where you shift into SVJ. You have way more revs now, listen. This engine revs faster than the Aventadors, you get like that 812 sound as well. That blare right there is pure 812, like Novatech 812. But then up high, SVJ sound comes back, and then you get a new sound, which is that razor sharp 9,000 beyond, 9,000 plus RPM experience. It's just wild. Really is something special. And down low too, it's very cool because you get the push, the shove of the electric motor. Quite the experience. I would want this car now because it's such a unique sound. I'm getting something out of the car that I didn't expect. Shove is from the electric motors, which is cool.
It kind of feels like a turbo car.
Yeah, it does. You get like that instant shove. That's the thing, it's in Corsa, it's giving you the shove, but in Sport, it's like giving you a different sound. Yeah, that's the 812 sound. Lamborghini Revuelto music machine. Here we go. Pitch, dude, it's this. Valvetronic the world! Accelerate fast, which is nice. Listen to all the sound you get. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think we've cracked it. The Lamborghini Revuelto, the exhaust package designed, engineered, tested, and fabricated right here in Boyertown, Pennsylvania. When I began this company roughly 5 years ago, it was a dream to be compared to some of the greatest companies in the world, like Gintani, like Active Auto Work, like Soul Performance, like Akrapovic. And now finally with this project, I think it really showcases Valvetronic's ability to build the greatest exhaust systems in the world. We may have started in a certain place 5 years ago, but now today, doing all of our engineering, all of our developments, and everything possible to build the greatest sounding exhaust in the world, I think we've definitely cracked the code. So if you're looking to get an exhaust configuration for your Revuelto, please reach out to us at valvetronic.com or info@valvetronic, or you can use our live chat on our website. The systems we know are quite expensive, but if you're looking for that ultimate experience, there is nothing quite like it. We know there's some other companies already out there that have built exhaust configurations for the Revuelto. It's been an absolute honor working on such a phenomenal vehicle, and hats off to the Valvetronic team here. Hats off to the engineers, hats off to the installers, and all the marketing work that went in to build and showcase to you guys, the fans and the enthusiasts, what a true unparalleled sound experience is like. We had the car done and we had a full video up, which hopefully you guys already enjoyed, within about 4 hours, and that made me very, very proud of this team. So, we've got the best team in the world, building the greatest exhaust in the world. How could you go wrong? Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next wild F1 exhaust package we do. Stay tuned to that video. Catch you guys then.